Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to make one of the easiest Korean salads, lettuce gochugaru. It's super simple, really tasty, and takes just a few minutes to make. No special ingredients needed. Perfect for busy days. Let's get started. Let's start by making the sauce. You will need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Then add 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, plus 1 tablespoon of sugar to balance the flavors. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic to bring all together. Everything is 1 tablespoon except garlic, which is just 1 teaspoon. Super easy to remember. Here's a bunch of lettuce I got from the store. Cut off the bottom stem and separate the leaves one by one. Wash them 2 to 3 times under running water. After washing, remove as much water as you can. This helps the seasoning stick better and keeps the salad crisp. Don't cut the lettuce with a knife. Tear it roughly with your hands. It gives a better texture. This salad is something you will always find at Korean barbecue restaurants. It helps balance the heaviness of meat and adds a fresh, tangy kick. Slice half a small onion thinly. If you have a cucumber in your fridge, slice it diagonally. Cucumber is optional. It's better to grill your meat first before mixing the salad. If you mix it too early, the lettuce will wilt and lose its crunch. Once your meat is almost ready, put the sliced onion and cucumber in a bowl, add the sauce, and give it a quick mix. Then add the lettuce and gently toss everything together by hand. Don't mix too hard, the lettuce can get mushy. When everything is evenly coated, drizzle 1 tablespoon of sesame oil on top and sprinkle 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. The flavor is nutty, tangy, just a little spicy, and the fresh crunch of the lettuce makes it so refreshing. It goes perfectly with grilled pork or bulgogi. Or just put a scoop of it on some rice. You will love it either way. Lettuce gochugaru is simple, fast, and so addictive. Even on a normal day, this one dish can brighten up your table. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. And I will be back soon with more easy and delicious Korean recipes.